Hey you! Don't watch that! Watch this! This is the heavy, heavy monster sound! The nuts sound around!
Let's start off with a number line. This is 0. And as we increase from 0, we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As we decrease, we go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And after 0, you're going to get a -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Now, as you know, the number line is much longer than this, because after -7, there's -8, and -9, -10. And on this other side, after 7, well, there's 8, 9, 10, etc. So this is just a portion of the number line. And let's look at some regular adding and subtracting, and let's see what we get here. Suppose we have 3 plus 4. Well, I think you know the answer to this one. It's 7. And then suppose we have a number like, I don't know, 5 minus 2. You're going to say, sir, that is 3. We can represent these operations on the number line. Let's look at the first one. We have 3 plus 4. So we're starting at the number 3. We're adding 4. So therefore we're going in this direction. Because you're in this direction, you are increasing. So if we're starting from 3 and we're going in this direction, we're going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. But let's look at the subtraction one. You're starting from number 5 and you're subtracting 2 from it, which means we're going this way, or we are decreasing. So we're starting from 5 and we're going that way 2 times. 1, 2. So we ended up at 3. Now I want you to notice that these numbers to the right of the 0, which is all of these numbers here, these numbers are positive numbers. So this is +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, and so on and so forth. But you don't need to put the signs on these numbers. So when you see a number that does not have a sign, it is positive. So all of these numbers to the right are positive. We're starting at 7 and we're going this way 6 times. Let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, so 7 minus 6 is 1. Suppose we had 6 minus 6. So we're starting from 6, +6, and we're going this way 6 times. I think we have an idea what the answer is going to be, but let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 0. So, with that being said, what if we had a number like this? 4 minus 5. Now in primary school, you would have been told that you cannot take a bigger number from a smaller number. But let's use the number line and see what answer we get. We're starting from 4 and we're going this way 5 times. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is -1. 2 minus 4. We're starting from 2, and because we're subtracting, we're going this way 4 times. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer will then be negative 2. So what I want you to do now is I want you to use a number line, and I want you to figure out what these numbers, what these answers will be. So I want you to pause the video and see if you can work out the answers for these 4 questions. Okay, let's see what's happening. So for the first one, we're starting at the number 5 and we're going this direction 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 minus 7 is going to give me a negative 2. The second one, we're starting from 3 and we're going again this way 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your answer is going to be negative 3. For this one, we're starting at 4 and we're going the left side again 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're going to get an answer of negative 3. And then last but not least, we're starting with 1 and we're going to the left side again 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is negative 4. So we have here minus 3 plus 4. So because minus 3 is first, we're starting from negative 3, which is right here. And we have plus 4, so it means that we're going in this direction 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Let's look at negative 7 plus 5. We're at negative 7, so we're starting at negative 7. And you're going in this direction because you're adding 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer will be negative 2. Let's look at this one. Negative 3 minus 1. So you're starting at negative 3, but because you're subtracting 1, you're decreasing. So you're going this way, and you're only going once. So it would be 3, and you're going once. That would give you negative 4. And then last but not least, we have 0 minus 6. So we're starting with 0, and because it's subtracting 6, we're going this way. And we're going that way 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 minus 6 is negative 6. I'm going to give you something to try. So let's go. 2 minus 2, we're starting at 2, and we're decreasing. We're going to the left 2 times. 1, 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Negative 4 minus 3. We're starting with negative 4, and we're going to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So that will be negative 7. 1 minus 8. We're starting with 1, and we're subtracting, so we're going to the left again 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 7. 6 minus 9, we're starting with 6, and we're going to the left 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that'll be negative 3. 0 minus 5, we're starting with 0, and we're going to the left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And negative 3, subtract 4. We're starting with negative 3, and we're going to the left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 7.